Welcome to Don't Try This at Home. On today's episode, things not to put into the microwave. Alex is hungry. He wants an egg. He wants an egg quickly, so he takes one and puts it in the microwave.
Microwaves cook food by throwing an atomic party. The radio waves penetrate the food and excite the fat, sugar, and water molecules, which in turn creates heat. In the case of a raw, uncooked egg, parts of the yolk are literally vaporized. The resulting pressure has nowhere to go. Eventually, the pressure inside the egg becomes greater than the strength of the shell, and the egg goes boom! That's it.
That's all for this week, and remember, folks, we do this so you don't have to. Next week, electrical outlets and paper clips. Don't try this at home.